everybody. I'm here with my bonfire and my cousin right there. We're gonna make a big explosion today. Alright, here we go. Darn, I missed. How did I miss? Okay, well that was gonna travel, but I guess you didn't. Oh my god, I can't see! I can't see! Is anything still drivable? I see a ghost that's drivable, and a race. Somehow. I'm gonna see if I can find your body. I don't think it's here. Oh, it all came back. Oh, it's attacking me. Freaking mess is attacking me. That was destructive. You found a what? A piece? My gosh! The shrapnel flew all the way over here. That was a big explosion. I kind of want to do it again. Okay, looks like it fell back. Fireworks! For an epic entrance. That doesn't get old. Oh snap, oh snap. Oh, you missed. I think I might do this one more time and then I'll end the video. Oh wow! Suicide. Alright, I'm gonna have to get back there. I forgot. I made minimal health. Oh, it's gonna make me fly this far. No, there's not a banshee over here. I put them all on the freaking bonfire. Everything, I'm pretty sure all the vehicles are on the bonfire, actually. Unless any of them were moved out. Alright, you're gonna blow it up. I'm gonna see it from a big perspective up here. We're gonna see this at a different angle now. Are you ready to blow it up? No. What do you mean no? Oh. Alright, fine, then I'll blow it up myself from the top of this cliff. I need the appropriate weapons, though. Sniper rifle, Spartan laser. Oh, okay, you want to blow it, you decide you want to blow it up? What was in there? Oh, you found a banshee? Wait, did you spawn the banshee over there? Oh, wow, I had a feeling. I was like, wait, why were you asked? Alright, wait, why is it all gone? It all just disappeared, like it did before. Oh my gosh. Why does it all just disappear like that, man? Oh, it all came back, alright, we're good. You are clear to fire. Mini explosion. Well, when I look at it from this perspective, it's not too big, but that was pretty good. I like that explosion. Alright. This has been Gorilla Boy 97, signing off.